Hey guys, so as you can tell I am in my den doing another video, and I like this nature part of my den actually. There's so many trees. I haven't actually oh, my headphones are slipping. I haven't actually finished decorating it. I still need to do up the ledge, and I've got to do this kitchen, living room, finish the toy room, and another bedroom here. But anyway, I'm gonna leave my link down below, and I want you guys to actually follow me. And also, Wushy has followed me, and Animal Jam followed me not long after. Anyway, I have emailed AJHQ, and I will show that in a second. So I sent them, and I said a gem with a user. Basically, I'll shorten it down. A member called Gemma9 YNCW9 scammed by blue short spiked collar and wristband along with my rare yellow taped nerds, and they said you could still beat them. They traded back my stuff first time, and then next thing you know, they lock us all out. But and then they did it again, and I went to the den, and they were hosting a giveaway, and I was like, everyone, it's a scam. They scammed me and said what they scammed. So that's a short bit off the email. There's a 72 hours, it's been 16, so hopefully they sort it out. Anyways, this is my request that I sent. Okay, so maybe it won't show me, but I will, as you can someone called Summy gifted me a rare wristband after I got scammed. Look, blue short, gone. Have I lost the one? No, I ain't lost the one. Wait. I've got a load of pirate swords actually. I just realised that. Oops. Anyway, as you can see, Spike, my blue short wrist and Spike is gone forever. Nerds, gone. And I worked so hard for them rares, and what? This Jammer 9 YNCW9. This was the person who scammed me. That's a scammer. So be sure to report her for scamming. I sent them the username as well, the TojoHQ. So that's what happened to me. And this is just like a scamming awareness video. Do not go to any giveaways. If it's trust, don't go with it. If you want to become rare, if you're not a member, do return phantoms. Whether or not you don't do return phantoms, because you get rares that way, and collect rare item Mondays, and be sure to you don't need an article if you're not a member. Yeah, because you can still do it because you get rares either way. If you're a member and have an eagle, you could do the Forgotten Desert. You don't need to just have an eagle, you can have an owl, toucan, eagle, a falcon, and much more. And I think there's other animals. And you can get baits or rares, and then all the stuff you earn you can trade. So don't fall for giveaways, guys. And also, when you've got unwanted rares, put them on trade and say, rares or goodies on trade, be fair. Or if you want a certain colour and it's really hard, just put put the rare fox. For example, if you want a red fox hat, and you've got a pink one which you do not want, just say, colour swap my red fox hat to red please. And then it'll be all sorted. So that's just, and don't fall for stuff like gifting, because honestly, yeah, I understand if you do mail time, but go to trading parties, for example, say stuff and rares are just pixels, and don't lie about being scammed or hacked, because that gets you nowhere, and you're called an attention seeker. Don't be bummed if you get, if you get your trade declined or anything, don't be bored. Don't be like bummed or anything, because it's gonna happen. But just keep on trying. I'm gonna join this person to do Forgotten Desert, see if I can earn some stuff. But as you can see, I've had to change my stuff due to being scammed. Like, I've had to change my whole look. So this is just like a scamming awareness video along with my story. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this also helps you from not being scammed and gives you some tips as well. And once again, I will leave my link in the link below. Peace out, guys. Love you all. Don't get scammed or anything. Just keep trying. Never give up. And ignore all giveaways. And if you go to them, say to tell AJHQ what happened, and then I messaged them yesterday, and it took quite a few hours for them to answer because they're in America. I'm in UK, so it's really hard. But keep trying, put all your rares on trade and everything. So I hope this video helps, and I'll see you next time. Bye!